जो आज हम ABCD में कलर पूरेंगे। A for एरोप्लेन, A for ant, B for ball, B for baby, C for cat, C for cow, C for cat, D for dog, D for donkey, E for elephant, E for ice, F for fish, F for frog, Z for girls, Z for goat, H for house, H for horse, I for ink, I for ink, J for jug, K for kite, K for kite, L for lemon, M for monkey, M for monkey, M for monkey, N for neck, N for nose, O for ox, O for orange, P for parrot, P for peacock, Q for queen, Q for queen, R for rabbit, R for rose, S for sheep, S for sheep, T for tiger, U for umbrella, U for umbrella, V for van, V for van, W for watch, W for watch, X for xylophone, Y for young, Y for yak, Z for zebra, Z for zebra,